Most people see awards like this and think that, wow, number 1. Pero tingnan natin, ano ba talagang ibig sabihin nitong award na to ni Sun Life? Because as a client, you shouldn't be just impressed with all these awards. Tingnan natin, bilang isang kliyente at policyholder, para saan ba to at paano to makakaapekto sa'yo? Because in insurance, rankings don't protect families. Money does. And that money comes from one place, and that is reserves. Now, let's break it down. When the company is number 1 in total assets and invested assets, that means they are managing one of the largest pools of money in this industry. And you cannot manage billions without a structure. Para mabag mo itong mga to, dapat meron kang professional and seasoned fund managers. Dapat din meron kang diversified investment portfolios. Dapat maganda din ang risk management ng kumpanya at dapat merong strict financial discipline. Bakit? Because when investments are managed properly, assets grow. And when assets grow responsibly, the company will generate consistent net income. At pag naging profitable ang isang kumpanya year after year, it will have an ability to do something very, very important. And that is to build a strong financial reserves. Now, let's define that clearly. Ano ba yung reserves? Ang reserves, ito yung pera na inaalat ng isang kumpanya para makapagbayad ng claims in the future. This is not optional. Hindi ito marketing fund, hindi din siya expansion fund ng company. It is a protected money. Ito yung hinahanda ng mga insurance company para makapagbayad sila at ma-fulfill nila yung promise nila sa mga kliyente nila. Dapat ang isang insurance company ay may strong financial reserves. Now, here's why it matters. Insurance is a long-term promise. You're paying today para sa bagay na mangyayari 10, 20, or 30 years from now. Bibili ka ng insurance ngayon, ang ibibigay sa'yo, papel. It's a promise, it's a contract, na pag nangyari, ang unfortunate events, magbabayad sila. Ngayon ang tanong, meron bang strong financial reserve ang insurance company mo kapag kinailangan na yan ng pamilya mo years from now? Because when someone is diagnosed with cancer or someone gets into the ICU or a breadwinner suddenly leaves the earth, that's when the promise is tested. At yung mga claims na yan, they have to be paid from the reserves. Not from future sales, not from new clients, and not from the hopes. So when you see an award like this, don't just see the prestige. But being number 1 doesn't mean that other companies are bad. It only means that this company has a strong foundation and high public trust. Ikaw, kung pipili ka ng insurance company, ano ang pipiliin mo? Yung may strong financial reserves? O so-so lang? Comment mo naman sa comment section.